Is your Google storage always full, no matter how much you delete? In this video, I'll show you how to fix that problem forever. And best of all, do it for free. First, check what's actually taking up space. Go to one.google.com/storage. You'll see exactly how much space Gmail, Drive, and Photos are using. Next, in Gmail, search for Has Attachment Larger 10M. These are your biggest emails. Delete the ones you don't need, then empty your Gmail trash. In Google Drive, switch to Storage Used view. Sort by size and delete large, old files, especially videos and zipped folders. And don't forget to clear your Drive trash. Now, go to Google Photos, then Trash, and empty it. Photos you deleted still count toward your quota for 60 days unless you empty it manually. Open the Google One Storage Manager next. It scans for spam emails, duplicates, and hidden junk files. One click can free up gigabytes of space. Want even more free storage? Try pCloud, Digu, or Proton Drive. They offer between 5 GB and 20 GB free cloud space. Bonus tip: Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, created before June 2021, don't count toward your quota. You can duplicate large files as native Google formats to save space. And that's how you fix your Google storage permanently. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more free tech tips every week.